thin hair and a bald spot, and that started about 10 years ago with endometriosis and polycystic ovary syndrome. Then in the last year, the hair has gotten much thinner, and that is from a thyroid disorder, hypothyroidism. I feel very self-conscious. It made me feel older as well, older than my age, and I would like to have a hairpiece to help me to have like nice long hair, because I've never had long hair, and it helps your self-esteem, and then it helps you just portray a better self to the world. So I'm very pleased, and the whole process itself didn't take very long at all. And the ladies here are awesome, smiling and laughing the whole time, so it was a great experience.